Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we have an unboxing here of this Topline Inflate Auto Air Compressor. So it's a air compressor, portable air compressor, which works via 12 volt socket on your car. If you follow the channel, you'll see I just recently did one similar thing, which is a ACA air compressor. This one is by Topline, so the other one is by ACA. So let's look around the box and let's see what over here. It says here automotive range, inflates a variety of vehicle tires in under 1.5 minutes. 12 volt. This unit is installed with a self-protection device. It will automatically cut off if motor is overloaded. And it says here 30 liters per minute max output. The code for this guy here is AC1202. I'm not sure what was the code for the ACA one, because sometimes I believe that these things are from China, probably made by the same company, and then people just brand them according to their name. So I think maybe this is something similar. But yeah, I know this one kind of looks different, but again, you can always paint it your colors, I guess. But let's get into this guy, guys, and let's see. It comes in a nice package, which is cool. The ACA one was in a smaller box, I believe, or was it the same size of box? I forgot now. But yeah, it is over here. Let's put that aside. Really, guys, for me, I think this thing, they look the same, eh? This look the same to me. So it comes packing obviously with a 12 volt socket for the cigarette lighter in your car, and it comes with the pipe, so that for inflating. I'm not sure how long is the pipe. Let's just see if maybe there is a book or anything, manual. No manual in the box, no manual here by the plastic. Okay, there's adapters over here, similar adapters as the last one. That's why again I say it looks like they're probably from the same place, these things. But yeah, the other one was red. This one comes in the nice gold, a nice gold color. The gauge over there really looks the same as the other one. It will show you where I think the highest they can go, it's 150 psi. Even that button looks the same, guys. The overall structure of this thing really looks the same as the other one. It says the air erupt inflator for bus, truck, 4x4s and vans. Voltage is DC 12 volt to 13.5 volt. Max amperage is 14 amps. Duration is 12 to 15 minutes. I remember the other one was, I think, 10 minutes. Max pressure is 10 kilograms per centimeter squared, which is 150 psi. And then the displacement is 30 liters per minute. Beware of high temperature under operating. And yes, also made in China. But yeah, guys, they look the same. We will again do a test with this one as well, inflating a tire. And then adapters. We've got an adapter for like a soccer ball. We've got an adapter for like, that looks like for airbags. What else? So whatever these adapters can fit into. So this is the one usually for balls. You can use like this one for beds. So I'm not sure which one where you'd use this one, but maybe also for beds. But yeah, wherever you might need to use the nozzle, you can use it. I remember I used, with the ACA one, I used one for filling up balloons, and it worked quite nicely. So yeah, those are the adapters that you have. And then you will obviously screw it in over there, and same thing with your valve, you screw it in over there with this guy there. You tie it in there, and I must say I prefer this type of mechanism for attachment, because there's other one that you can flip and then it locks in. Normally with those, over time you find that that thing breaks, or the rubbers under, or the rubbers, the rubbers inside which it uses when you clamp in, maybe go off or something, then you start having problems. Now you need to hold it in there. With this one, this will be for a lifetime. As long as that rubber in there is working okay, you will always tie this in, unless if you misthread it and then you mess up the threads inside there. Other than that, you will always be sorted in terms of using this guy and attaching to a valve. So that's why I love this type of attachment over here. But yeah, guys, here is the Topline Air Compressor. Topline Portable Air Compressor. And yeah, guys, that's nothing else to it. We will also test this one with you guys in the same video, and then we'll see how it does. My feeling is it will do the very same thing the ACA one did, without any much of a difference. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube? So, okay, we're here now. We've got a flat tire. We've got our little compressor that we're gonna test out now. I'm using the Bikey because this 12 volt is not working lekker. So I'm gonna be using the Bikey to power up this guy here. I think it might be punctured somewhere, but I'm not too sure. So I'm just gonna inflate it and then let's see what happens. If it is flat, I'll then take it out and then take it to be repaired, because I don't know if I've got my patch and stuff here. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how long it's gonna take this thing to pump up. As you'll see here, this tire has nothing air, no air at all. So we're gonna switch it on and then let's see. We have 2 bar now. I think I'll stop it at about 2.2. Maybe 2.5. Okay guys, so max load, or you see here, max pressure 250 kPa, and we also add about that's 3 bar, maybe about 3 bar, yeah. So plus minus there. So but yeah, it pumped it up. Just wanna hear if it's going flat. But yeah guys, in terms of the compressor, there it goes. Works like that, pumped it up, not too long. So yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. So I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great and going for your goals. That's for me guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.